morning, Steve Friend in Chicago with the morning grain comments. We have soybeans, nearby beans up 13 cents, meal gaining on oil. Corn about unchanged, while wheat's anywhere from 5 cents higher in Chicago to 18 cents higher in KC and 15 cents higher in Minneapolis. Stocks look to be opening higher. Dollar's a little bit lower. Crude is approaching $80. Gold, silver, copper, coffee, cocoa are all higher. Again, yesterday we kind of dodged a bullet maybe in the financial markets when the Fed chairman basically said nothing. He can raise rates in September or he can pause. A lot of it will depend on the data. So the market really didn't have that much new information. We'll be watching the ECB as far as interest rates are concerned, but there is some concern that higher rates globally could slow commodity demand. The couple of features in the marketplace. Number one, we're seeing Dalian soybean meal prices make new contract highs. We're seeing here in the U.S. domestic meal basis firming up because of the fact that new crop exports for meal are up 32% from a year ago, and Argentina meal actual exports are down 30%. So that suggests that the meal, we're going to be crushing for meal, and that's offering some resistance to the soybean oil despite talk of higher soybean oil for renewable fuels. Corn market kind of stuck, waiting for new data as far as, number one, what's the U.S. corn yield? Is it 173? Is it 170? Is it 175? All these numbers make a lot of difference as far as what the carryout is. Number two is, what is the China demand? China's been taking quite a bit of their corn imports from Ukraine. Overnight, the submarine shot missiles at the Odessa port. But it looks like now Ukraine will be shipping their grain to the east by either truck or rail. And that's still kind of open. And so something the market feels that some of the Ukraine grain will get shipped out to the east. That's offering some weakness to the European wheat and corn basis levels, as they already have mostly adequate supply. Secondly, as far as weather is concerned, U.S. rains will be in the lake states and upper Midwest. The central Midwest will remain dry. Temperatures are hot, which should cool down over the weekend and into next week to back to normal. Europe still getting rains, raising some questions about quality, but the rapeseed market in Motif continues to drop because of harvest pressure and lack of buying demand. We also note conditions in the Black Sea are mostly favorable. Canada's dry, but they might be getting some rain soon, which is, I think, too late for their crops, especially canola. And then we're seeing Australia, the western and coastal areas are getting rains while eastern Australia is dry. Argentina remains dry, but we've got to see how that impacts their wheat planted acres. We also note that export sales today, we'll be watching soybeans, soybean meal, any new crop corn, and the wheat sales should also be on the light side.